Good morning, children. Biomolecules. Biomolecules are the molecules found in living things. All the carbon compounds that we get from living tissues can be called biomolecules. Example: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids. These biomolecules are two types: biomicromolecules, biomacromolecules. Biomicromolecules, biomacromolecules. Alright? And now, you take any living tissue or a vegetable part of a plant or a piece of liver, you grind it in trichloroacidic acid using mortar and a pestle. Thereby we get a thick slurry. If that slurry passes through a cheesecloth or cotton, we obtain two fractions: one filtrate or acid soluble pool, two retentate or acid insoluble fraction. Acid soluble pool. Acid soluble pool, also known as the filtrate. Here, the biomolecules found in acid soluble pool are called biomicromolecules. Their molecular weight is ranging from 18 to around 800 daltons. These biomicromolecules are glucose, amino acids, nucleotides, nucleosides, and then nucleosides, nitrogen bases, calcium, sulfates, phosphates, magnesium, etc. Their molecular weight less than 1000 daltons are biomicromolecules. Next, acid insoluble pool. Acid insoluble pool, also known as retentate. The chemical compounds which are found in acid insoluble fraction are called biomacromolecules, are also known as macromolecules. Biomacromolecules or macromolecules. These are proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. So here we have is biomolecules, biomicromolecules, biomacromolecules. You would get, so when a thick slurry you get by mixing the part of a living thing, we get filtrate and retentate. Filtrate, also known as acid soluble pool, retentate, also known as acid insoluble pool. Now tell me, what are biomolecules? What are biomicromolecules? What are biomacromolecules? Now, if you see the earth crust, okay, the earth crust is a comparison of elements present in non-living and living matter. For example, elements hydrogen. It's a percentage of weight in earth crust and a percentage of weight in human body. In earth crust it is 0.14, in human body it is 0.5. In case of carbon, it is percentage weight found in earth crust is 0.03, and in human body it is 18.5. In case of oxygen, it is 46.6, and in human body it is 65. That means is hydrogen, carbon, oxygen are in more concentration in human body. Similarly, nitrogen is very little in the crust, and it is 3.3 in case of human body, and sulfur it is 0.03 and 0.3, and sodium 2.8 and 0.2, calcium 3.6 1.5, magnesium 2.1 0.1, silicon 27.7 negligible. All are more in case of human body except sodium, calcium, magnesium, silicon. Silicon is more in the crust. Now see, in case of chemical compounds which are found in acid insoluble pool are macromolecules. A small amount of a living tissue, leaf or liver, its weight is called wet weight. If that is fully burnt, all the carbon compounds are oxidized to gaseous form. The gaseous form carbon dioxide, water vapor, and are removed. The remaining is called ash, and ash contains calcium, magnesium, sulfate, phosphate. They are seen in acid soluble pool. Lipids are found in acid insoluble pool, but their molecular weight is less than 800 daltons. Cell membrane is made by lipids, but when grinded, it is in the form of fragments. They are not strictly macromolecules. When they are found in fragments, they are found in acid insoluble pool, but they are biomicromolecules. So this is very important point, you have to listen. Okay, next one, what are micromolecules, what are macromolecules, what are biomicromolecules, what are macromolecules. The biomicromolecules are found in acid soluble pool. They are sugars, amino acids, glucose, amino acids, and then nucleosides, nitrogen bases, calcium, magnesium, sulfate, phosphate. See, amino acids are the units of proteins. Amino acids are essentially of the amino, carboxyl, and R functional group. Amino acid has how many functional groups? Amino functional group, carboxyl, and R functional groups. Basing on number of amino and carboxyl groups, these are acidic, base, and neutral. Acidic amino acid is glutamic acid. Base is lysine. Neutral is valine. And there are aromatic amino acids: tyrosine, phenylalanine, tryptophan. A particular property of amino acids is the ionizable nature of the ammonia and carboxyl groups. The structure of amino acids changes in solutions of different pHs. See, here we have A, B, C. A, NaH3 plus CHR COH. It is in positive charge. It is converted into NH3 plus CHCOO minus R group. means it is positive and negative. It is converted into B, converted into A converted into B. B has positive and negative charge, and B is converted into C. C is converted into B. B gives C. C has NH3, CHCOO minus R group. So here A is with the positive charge, B is with the positive and negative charge, C with the negative charge. These are converted into different ionic properties in different pHs. So here B is called Zwitter ionic forms. B is called Zwitter ionic forms. Okay, what is Zwitter ionic form? Zwitter ionic form means amino acid gives rise positive and negative charge ions. Okay, so B is the Zwitter. What is Zwitter ionic form is very important. So what you have studied? What are biomolecules? What is acid soluble pool? What is the other name of acid soluble pool? What is acid insoluble pool? And what is the other name of acid insoluble pool? What is the what are the carbon compounds found in acid soluble pool? What are the carbon compounds found in acid insoluble pool? Lipids are not strictly macromolecules. Explain or justify this statement. This you have to remember. Okay, definition of biomolecules is very important. Next, I shall pass on to different amino acids. Different amino acids. See here the structural forms: glycine, alanine, serine. Glycine, alanine, serine. Okay, glycine is very simple. It has C, H, NH2COH, simple amino acid, where R is equal to H functional group. Okay, functional groups are H, NH2COH. Next, alanine. Its R group is methyl. C, CH3, NH2, COOH, H. Alanine, where R group is methyl. Next, serine. It is C, NH2, COOH, H, CH2OH. CH2OH. It is the ethyl group. So amino acids are glycine, alanine, serine. These are the different amino acids. Examples, it's the structures. You should remember all. And see, we will see the sugars, nucleotides, nucleosides, okay, which are present in acid soluble pool. What are present in acid soluble pool? The carbon compounds present in acid soluble pool are acid soluble pool are amino acids, glucose, okay, and nucleotides, nucleosides, nitrogen bases, okay, and then these are the monomers. That means acid soluble fraction, also known as the filtrate. It has only monomers of polymers. Okay, as amino acid is the monomer of protein. Glucose is the monomer of carbohydrate. Nucleotide is the monomer of nucleic acids. Okay, only monomers are present. Why? Because their molecular weight is less. So those carbon compounds whose molecular weight is less than 800 Daltons are called biomicromolecules. And then next, those carbon compounds whose molecular weight is more than 1000 are called biomacromolecules. They are carbohydrates, proteins, and then this nucleic acids. Lipids. Lipids are found in acid insoluble fraction, but they are not strictly macromolecules. That you have to explain. Okay. Then what are bitter ions? What is the difference between acid soluble pool and what is insoluble pool? What is the difference between wet weight and ground weight? Name the elements which are more in human body. Name the elements when compared to the crust which are less in number in human body. This you have to remember. Okay. Remaining I will give it in the next class. Okay. Okay. You ask me doubts in WhatsApp. So now take down questions. What are biomolecules? Define biomolecules. Define biomolecules. How many fractions are formed when thick slurry passed to cheese cloth? Now name the acid which helps in making grinding the is a piece of liver. Now what are the differences between acid soluble pool and acid insoluble pool? Acid soluble pool and acid insoluble pool. What are the differences between acid soluble pool and acid insoluble pool? What are the difference between acid soluble pool and acid insoluble pool? And then what do you mean by amino acid? Mention the different amino acids you have studied. Mention aromatic amino acids you have studied. What are bitter ions? What are bitter ions? Amino acid is the monomer of. Amino acid is the monomer of. Okay. And now what is filtrate? What is retentate? What is the other name of filtrate? What is the other name of retentate? Is the molecular weight of biomacromolecules. Define biomacromolecules, give an example. Define biomicromolecules, give an example. Okay. And give the structure of glycine. Give the structure of alanine. Give the structure of serine. Give the structure of serine. Okay, I will pass on the next class. Thank you.